We interrupt this program to bring you...
Giddy up, 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 giddy up.
Alright y'all, so I'm here with Amanda Hair, and this is their 13x4 lace front wig, and she is 22 inches, y'all. 22 inches. So this is what she's looking like straight out of the packaging, not washed, style, or anything as yet. The baby hairs are already sectioned off for you, and this is what the inside is looking like. And this is what she's looking like after being washed. Period. And you know the usual, you're gonna get a pack of 2 wig caps. But anyways, so I'm pleased with how it's fitting, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull her back and gel her down. So let me say this. So I feel like y'all be watching my videos on mute or something, because I'm always repeating myself about the same things over and over and over again. But anywho, the gel that I use is here in Japan. I don't know if y'all can get it elsewhere outside of Japan. I mean, you could try to look for it. I mean, you could, but I don't recommend it for like long-term wear, because honestly it does irritate my skin a little bit. Like if I wear it for more than like 2 or 3 days, it does irritate my skin. So this is only good for like short-term wear. If you live in like hot climate, hot temperature, whatever, what girl? I don't recommend it, because you're gonna sweat this shit right off. So just get you your regular gel, you know, your got to be glued or something like that. See, Tiana agrees with me.
I can't waste none of my time, so stop clogging on my line. Giddy up, 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 giddy up.
Okay, so for drying time, I don't time myself per se. I will do like 1 layer, and then I'll go ahead and do my brows, and by the time I'm done with my brows, it's dried. And then I'll go in with another layer, and I'll tie the wig down and try to finish my makeup, and by the time I'm done with my makeup, it should be fully dried, like on there. So you know, we got some white residue and whatnot, but that can be fixed easily with some water, and like we Gucci. So I already did one side for y'all, you know, the baby hairs and whatnot. As you can see, like in the front, you really don't need baby hairs, but like I said, I'm gonna do my baby hairs for like camouflage purposes. Like, do whatever floats your boat, sis, but I'm gonna always do my baby hairs. And again, Tiana agrees, my daughter agrees, right baby? Right baby girl? She's just staring at me.
D4L, that's no option. She my one and only lover. So much fun, like I'm Thugger. Giddy up, fill my cup. Cheddar cheese, Velveeta. Put in work, double up.
So right where you see me adding some gel right here, I am not doing like no slick back, nothing. I'm just trying to like lay down those flyaways, like some little stray hairs that be sticking out. Is not too much of a big deal, which is why I'm only using like a little bit.
I got what you need, I got what you want, I got what you need. Tell them giddy up. Rubber band, 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 man. Band man like the cannon. I like dancing. See you panning, see you scrambling. Giddy up, keep it tough. Put in work, on the hush. What's the word? Calling bluffs. Now I can't waste none of my time, so stop clogging on my line. Giddy up, 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 giddy up. I got horses in the back, trunk in the front, exterior red and that inside buttercup. I got what you need, I got what you want, I got what you need. Tell them giddy up. I got horses in the back, trunk in the front, exterior red and that inside buttercup. I got what what you need. I got what you want. I got what you need. Tell them giddy up. Giddy up, 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 giddy up. I got horses in the back, trunk in the front, exterior red and that inside buttercup. I got what you need, I got what you want, I got what you need. Tell them giddy up. Call her whoop, cause she poppin'. D4L, that's no option. She my one and only lover. So much fun, like I'm Thugger. Giddy up, fill my cup. Cheddar cheese, Velveeta. Put in work, double up. And I can't waste none of my time, so stop clogging up my line. Giddy up, 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 giddy up. I got horses in the back, trunk in the front.
Alright, so that was it. Honestly, this wig was super duper easy to install, you know. A quick, easy, simple little lace laid down, baby hairs snatched, all laid down. I didn't do any parts or slick back, nothing, none of that. I just wanted to let this wig do what it do because it's already as bomb as is. And as you can see, my blue eyes are back. You know, I used to wear the contacts back then, but you know, I stepped my game up. I got the surgery done. Now I'm just playing with y'all, but yeah, for real, this is like, it's just contacts. Like, surgery on my eyes? No, I don't think so. But yeah, everything y'all need to know about this wig will be in the description down below. Cop this shit because it's bomb. Cop this shit because I said so. Cop this shit because it's affordable. Period. Alright, so yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
In the front, exterior red and that inside buttercup. I got what you need. I got what you want. I got what you need. Tell them giddy up. Yeah, I just wanna run it up.
County check or something.
I've been really in the field, let up. Yeah, I've been really in the field, lot of rush, I love the feel. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Have to take it to a meal. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah,
County check or something.
lately, I just wanna run it up.
Count that too, count it up.
Yeah.
Count it up, count it up, count it up.
Lately, I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives. Need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change.